Dreams need a blueprint. Why planning matters. Written by Tony Robbins, Unleash the Power Within. We all have dreams. These dreams are the sparks that light up our lives, the visions that keep us moving forward. They are the whispers of our deepest desires, the goals that we yearn to achieve. But how do we turn these dreams into reality? Big, audacious dreams that ignite our souls. These are the dreams that push us to our limits, that make us strive for greatness. They are the dreams that make us feel alive, that give us a sense of purpose and direction. But having a dream is just the beginning. But dreams without a plan, they are like clouds in the sky. Beautiful but fleeting. They drift away, leaving us with nothing but a sense of longing. Without a plan, our dreams remain just that, dreams. They never take shape, never become tangible. They remain just that, dreams. They are like stories left unwritten, ideas left unexplored. They are the what-ifs and if-onlys that haunt us. But it doesn't have to be this way. We have the power to turn our dreams into reality, to achieve the impossible, to turn those aspirations into reality. You need a roadmap. You need a plan. A plan is like a map that guides you on your journey, shows you the way, helps you navigate the obstacles and keeps you on track. Without a plan, you are like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly. Think of planning as the blueprint to your success. Just like an architect needs a blueprint to build a house, you need a plan to build your dreams. A blueprint provides structure, clarity, and direction. It helps you see the big picture and the small details. It's the bridge connecting where you are now to where you want to be. It spans the gap between your current reality and your desired future. Without this bridge, you are stuck on one side, unable to reach your goals. Without it, you're lost in a sea of possibilities, unsure of which direction to take. Planning empowers you. It gives you a sense of control, a sense of purpose. It helps you make informed decisions and take deliberate actions. It gives you clarity, focus, and the confidence to navigate any challenge. With a plan, you know what steps to take, what resources you need, and what obstacles to avoid. You are prepared for the journey ahead. It transforms overwhelming goals into manageable steps, making the impossible achievable. By breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps, you can make steady progress. Each step brings you closer to your dream. So, are you ready to unleash your full potential? Are you ready to take control of your destiny and turn your dreams into reality? The power is in your hands. Let's dive in and discover the power of planning. Together we can create a roadmap to success, a blueprint for achieving your dreams. Let's get started. Planning isn't about restricting your freedom or stifling spontaneity. It's about taking control of your destiny. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and propel you towards your goals. Scientific studies have proven time and again that those who plan are more likely to succeed. They experience less stress, manage their time better, and achieve higher levels of productivity. Why? Because planning provides a framework, a sense of direction that eliminates guesswork and fuels momentum. Remember, success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of deliberate action, strategic thinking, and a well-defined plan. Think about NASA's Apollo 11 mission, landing a man on the moon. An impossible feat? Many thought so. But NASA had a plan, a meticulously crafted, detailed plan involving thousands of people and years of preparation. Every step from launch to landing was meticulously mapped out with contingencies for every imaginable scenario. The result? History was made. This incredible achievement showcases the power of planning on a grand scale. If we can land on the moon with a plan, imagine what you can accomplish with a plan of your own. Section 4. Benefits of planning. Unlock your potential and crush your goals. The benefits of planning are plentiful. Firstly, planning enhances productivity. When you take the time to plan, you set yourself up for success by creating a structured approach to your tasks. This structure allows you to focus on what truly matters, ensuring that your efforts are directed towards meaningful activities that drive progress. It eliminates wasted time and energy by providing a clear roadmap of tasks and deadlines. Imagine starting your day with a well-thought-out plan. You know exactly what needs to be done and when. This clarity helps you avoid distractions and stay on track, making your workday more efficient and productive. Secondly, it reduces stress and anxiety. When you have a plan in place, you can approach your day with confidence, knowing that you have a clear path to follow. This sense of direction can significantly reduce the overwhelm that often comes with juggling multiple responsibilities. Knowing you have a plan in place brings a sense of control and calmness, even in the face of challenges. When unexpected obstacles arise, you can adjust your plan accordingly, maintaining your composure and continuing to move forward with purpose. Thirdly, planning improves time management. By prioritizing tasks and setting realistic deadlines, you become more efficient and effective with your time. This means you can accomplish more in less time, freeing up space for other important activities, whether they be professional or personal. By prioritizing tasks and setting realistic deadlines, you become more efficient and effective with your time. This means you can accomplish more in less time, freeing up space for other important activities, whether they be professional or personal. Effective time management also allows you to allocate time for self-care and relaxation, which are crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Walt Disney, the man who brought us Mickey Mouse and built an empire, was a master planner. His ability to envision his dreams with meticulous detail set him apart. He didn't just dream, he planned every step of the way, creating storyboards, theme parks, and captivating characters that continue to inspire generations. He envisioned his dreams with meticulous detail, creating storyboards, theme parks, and captivating characters that continue to inspire generations. Disney's legacy is a testament to the power of planning and the incredible outcomes that can be achieved when you combine vision with a well-thought-out plan. Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time, didn't achieve greatness by chance. His success was the result of a carefully crafted plan, a grueling training schedule, and unwavering commitment. Phelps's journey to the top of the podium is a powerful example of how planning and dedication can lead to extraordinary achievements. He had a plan, a grueling training schedule, and unwavering commitment that propelled him to the top of the podium. Phelps's story reminds us that greatness is not an accident. It is the result of deliberate planning, hard work, and perseverance. These individuals and countless others are testaments to the transformative power of planning. Whether it's in the realm of business, sports, or personal development, planning provides a solid foundation for success. It allows you to set clear goals, track your progress, and make informed decisions that move you closer to your aspirations. Are you ready to join their ranks? By embracing the power of planning, you can unlock your potential and crush your goals. Start today by setting aside time to plan your path forward. Identify your goals, break them down into actionable steps, and create a timeline for achieving them. With a clear plan in place, you'll be well on your way to realizing your dreams and achieving the success you desire. Section 5, the Master Plan. Your step-by-step guide to effective planning. Ready to create your own master plan for success? Let's break it down into actionable steps. First, define your goals clearly. What do you want to achieve? Make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. Next, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to track progress effectively. Utilize technology to your advantage. Leverage planning apps, calendars, and project management tools to streamline your efforts. Remember, flexibility is key. Life throws curveballs, so be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and learning. Finally, review and refine your plan regularly. Track your progress, celebrate milestones, and make adjustments based on your experiences and evolving goals. Section 6, SMART Goals. Set yourself up for success. Let's delve deeper into the concept of SMART goals. These goals are designed to provide clarity, direction, and motivation, ensuring that you have a clear path to follow and a way to measure your progress. By setting SMART goals, you can transform your aspirations into actionable plans. This acronym, representing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, is your secret weapon for setting goals that stick. Let's break it down further. Specific. Avoid vague aspirations, pinpoint exactly what you want to achieve. The more detailed and clear your goal, the easier it will be to focus your efforts and feel truly motivated to achieve it. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," specify, "I want to run a 5K marathon in under 30 minutes. Instead of "I want to be successful," aim for "I want to launch my own online business within a year." This gives you a clear target to work towards and helps you stay focused on your goal. measurable. How will you track your progress? It's crucial to have a way to measure your success so you can stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Define clear metrics for success. This could be anything from tracking your sales numbers, monitoring your social media growth, or keeping an eye on your fitness progress. For example, I will gain 10,000 followers on my business Instagram page within 6 months. This gives you a tangible goal to work towards and allows you to measure your progress along the way. Achievable. While it's great to dream big, ensure your goals are realistic and attainable within your current circumstances and resources. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Relevant. Your goals should align with your values, passions, and long-term vision. This ensures that you are working towards something that truly matters to you and will keep you motivated in the long run. Don't pursue something just because it seems trendy or someone else expects it of you. Stay true to your own values and passions. Time-bound, set deadlines for each goal and subtask. Having a timeline creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused and motivated. This instills a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. By setting SMART goals, you are setting yourself up for success, ensuring that your goals are clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.